Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve clear cache on GCash app. If you want to solve the clear cache issue on the GCash app, then you could follow these simple steps. So first thing first, what you need to do is make sure that your application is completely up to date. So for that, head over to your Play Store and check for an update. Now to clear GCash app cache on your Android device, you just have to go to your device's settings. So for that, you want to exit out of this page and then open up your settings. As you go to settings here, you want to go ahead and click on apps and notification and go to see all apps. Right over here, you could go ahead and use the search bar tool in order to locate GCache and tap on the GCache option. Here go to storage and cache, and here go ahead and click on clear cache. And you could also go with clear storage. This way you'll have successfully cleared your cache on GCash app. However, if you don't like this method and if you're confused regarding it, you could also try other steps. That is very simple. You just have to long press the application that is GCash and go to app info, and you will be directly taken to this section where you could go and click on storage and cache, and then click on clear cache as well as data in order to clear your cache on GCash app. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.